What's up, Brewing peeps? Brewing Daddy here, and we got a little bit of an announcement to make. We are closing in on our 1-year anniversary, and we thought what better way to celebrate it than to get somebody else started in home brewing. So here in a few days you're going to see something posted on our website about a drawing. We'll post more details, and there'll be some details in the description of what we're giving away, but we're going to be giving away a starter kit from our sponsor morebeer.com, and we'll put a link in the description for that. And the requirements for entering in the drawing are just going to be that you subscribe to our channel and you post a comment in this video, and that's it. And you do that, those two things, you're automatically entered. We're going to be running this giveaway all the way up till March, which is our 1-year anniversary. And one lucky subscriber is going to get a More Beer starter kit, just like the one that is in the link in the description. So hope y'all are having a great day. Just wanted to make that announcement. So we give it away on March 1st. Peace out, people. Hope you're having a good one. Take care.